In this tutorial, we will create a scribble effect like showing on the screen. We will use turbulent displace effect for this task. So let's first understand what turbulent effect is. For that, I'm going to delete this text layer, and on this layer, which is just a solid layer, we will apply grid effect. All right, let's change its size to width slider and increase the square size so that we can observe turbulent displace. Now search for turbulent displace. Apply it on the solid layer. You will get this wavy grid. And here we have some controls. Amount just controls everything below it. How much below parameters are going to affect the displacement map. Size decides how big or small displacement map will be. Offset, it's origin of turbulence. It has two values for both x and y axis. And when I move it, turbulence move with it. And this is the anchor point which we are controlling through offset values. You can also move it on the screen as well. Let me undo it and put it back to the center of the comp. Complexity adds more details to the map, but generally I don't use it because it takes too much memory. Evolution. This is the parameter which we are going to animate for this project. If I change it, displacement map will also get changed. And one thing I forgot, here we have other displacement map also. Bludge, twist, and others will make different impact on the map. Choose whatever you want. All will work nicely except last three, I believe. They are for special cases. Well, we will apply turbulent for now. We don't need these effects right now. These were just for demonstration. Let me lock background layer. Now take text tool and let's type scribble. Okay, use pen behind tool and put its anchor point to the middle of the text. Now go to effects and presets and apply turbulent displace on the text. Again, wavy text here. So in order to bring the desired effect, we will need to decrease amount of the effect. But size is still very big. Just reduce it. Still, it's creating smooth waves. That's we don't want. So let's reduce size bit more. Now look on the edges. It's a zigzag, but density is still low. So increase amount a bit more, around 25 maybe. Well, that's looking fine now. Time to use evolution effect and animate it. So keep playhead on the first frame, add a keyframe to evolution, move 5 frames forward, and change evolution value randomly. Again 5 frames forward, change evolution value again randomly, and continue this process at the interval of 5 frames. Keep it in positive and negative in both directions. Select the layer, press the U key to see all keyframes. Now, if you play it, in between keyframes will also play. But I don't want these in between keyframes. And the simplest way to control it, select all keyframes, right click and hold keyframe. Now, on the keyframe, it will hold the current value, but that value will not be changed until next keyframe arrives. In other words, in between keyframes will be dead. Just check it. This is the desired effect. The only problem is if I want to animate text position also, pay close attention to the edges of the text. Displacement map will not move with the text. When text will move, we will get a new animation which will disturb our current keyframes. To fix it, Let's create some more room here. Now expand layer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to parent this offset to the text position. So hold Alt or Option key and click on this stopwatch. Now parent it with the position parameter. Click anywhere else to apply it. Now this offset, which is this anchor point, now it's linked with the position parameter. So wherever text will move, displacement map will move with the text. So please like this video and subscribe our channel to get more tutorials.